Hello everyone, this is Carlo, and in today's video I would like to show you how to add camera navigation to your 3Views clip. What is 3View? 3View is the best way to quickly publish rich 3D Unity content to the web, mobile, and VR. So as I was telling you, in this video I'm going to show you how to add camera navigation to your clip. So first of all, we're gonna go and grab the simple project from Dropbox. I already did that, so I should be able to find it here. It's a mech navigation project. So let's go ahead and open the Unity project. Okay. Unity is importing the assets. There you go. So in this project, there should be one scene. Let's find it. This is our scene, and there's a city, and there is a mech in the city, a little robot. And if I push play, you're gonna see this robot is actually animating. It goes in a loop. I can show you how this works. So this robot has a animator controller, and this animator controller gets the robot to walk, turn left, then walk again, and turn left again, and so on. So basically, this guy is making a loop. Okay, let me show you how this works. In the previous tutorial, we used what we call the orbit camera type. In this tutorial, we're gonna instead use the tour camera type. And what the tour camera type does allows me to place more than one camera in my scene, and in turn, the viewers of my clip, they're gonna be able to actually navigate from one camera position to the next one. So let's go ahead and do that. Right now, we only have one camera in my scene. Let's go. This is my camera. So what we can do, we can just duplicate this camera and move it somewhere else. This is going to be our second camera position. Rotate a little bit more. And then we go ahead and duplicate this one. So we're going to have a third camera position. Move it. And let's go ahead and create a fourth one. And maybe we also want a fifth one. There you go. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras in our scene. What you can do in Unity, you can just select all of them, and you're gonna have a rough estimate about how it's gonna look from each one of the viewpoint for each one of the camera position, basically. Okay, so what else we can do now? We can just save the scene, and I want to show you something else, guys. Like the main camera has a post-processing behavior assigned to it. So what we can do with this, we can actually use post-processing in the clip, and that's what we're doing for this specific scene. You can tell we have a profile assigned to the main camera. Remember, only this has to be done only on the main camera. Okay, so we have a post-processing on the main camera, and we can click on it, and you can tell we have motion blur, chromatic aberration, and vignetting active at this time. Okay, so we saved the scene already. One other thing we need to do is that we have to go to the build setting and add this scene as the main scene in the scene in build. It is already there, so that's fine. What we can do, we can just go and quit Unity. Okay, one thing that I forgot to mention is the order in which the camera position are going to be connected together. Let's go back and open the project again. Here you go. So this is our cameras. So they're called camera 1, camera 2, main camera 3, main camera 4. Okay, in this case, the sequence is going to be this one because the way cameras going to be connected together is in alphabetic order. So in this case, it's going to be first main camera, then the second one is going to be main camera 1, main camera 2, main camera 3, and main camera 4. When the users get to main camera 4, going forward is going to bring him back to main camera. It's a loop. So again, the order of the cameras depends on the alphabetic order of the actual names of the cameras. So if we had called these ones camera A, B, C, D, and F, that would be the order. Okay, let me quit again Unity. Let's go ahead and publish this to Trivial. So first of all, we're going to go and delete the library folder, which we don't need. Compress. Perfect. This is our project compressed. Then we navigate to Trivial. I'm already logged in. I'm going to push the upload button. This is where we drag and drop the zip file. We take the project zip file. Oh, actually, no, sorry. One thing I need to do first, as you can tell here, camera type is an orbit camera type. That's not what we want to use in this case. In this case, we want to use a tour camera type. And as if you can read the description, cycles through the cameras in your scene in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop the project file. It's 19, almost 20 megabytes, so it's going to take a while. All right, now that the zip file is fully uploaded to Trivial, what we can do, we can just go to the publish page, and there you go. We can see that the project is being built on the Trivial servers. You can see the meters with the build progress on the right side, and this is our clip being built. This is gonna take a few minutes. Okay, so the WebGL build is actually finished. You can tell because we reached 100%. Android is still, and Windows and iOS and Mac are still building. But since we are on the web, we can actually go and play the clip already. So let's go ahead and do that. We go to My Clips. It's Mac Navigation. This is the clip we just published. And we can see the details of the clip here, the name, creator, ratings, the number of people who already viewed the clip. Let's go ahead and play it. Streaming. There you go. As you can tell, we are in the first camera position we defined in the Unity project. The way the tour camera works, it allows us to look around. It's a first-person camera, left, right, up, and down, using the mouse, or we can also zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. The other thing that we can do is that we can navigate to the next camera. We just use the forward button in the on-screen UI. We push it, and there you go, fade in, and we get to the second camera position we defined. We can just either go back, or we can keep going to the next camera, which is over here. And then the next one, which was close to the building, if you remember. And we can also navigate into the last one, which is at the corner of the building. And if we keep going, we're gonna go back to the first camera position. Pretty cool. And we can use this red button to quit the clip and go back to the main menu. We can actually rate the clip. It deserves 5 stars. There you go. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I show you how to actually author a navigation camera system in Trivial. If you enjoyed the video, please go and check out our website at www.trivial.com. Or if you want to go and try out the hub, you can just go to watch.trivial.com. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.